the Koz Family video. KFV.
KFV. Hello.
Can I hold it?
Hold it. You're not. Oh, hey, hold on. All right. We've got 3 exciting things to bring you this evening.
Yes.
We've got some awesome.
Thought of it.
Yes, you did. Carrington is the mastermind behind this compelling footage here. We've got 3 special items to show. We got Molly, so make it 4. We got Mama Koz. Woo! We've got this exciting bike riding, and Ryler showing off her new wheels here. And
Do you want to see some videos
Finley,
on my
look at
bike?
me.
Do you want to see what it looks like on my bike when you're riding with me?
No.
I can do
Not
it.
even a little bit do I want to do. That's interesting. It won't work, but
I know.
we got our baby running down the street.
Yay.
No cars.
Give me a
All right.
No, give me
Okay,
a
this is supposed to be compelling footage, remember?
guitar for Trixie.
So,
Heather just mastered her training
yeah.
bike. Took
So
her a
she's
while.
got her bike, her princess bike car. Yeah, that's not. This is so bad. Baby, they're not moving. They're not slowing down at all. Okay. I've got their license plate. What did you say? We're gonna make this car famous?
Yeah.
All right. We're back on the air here. Game on.
Oh,
And so one thing is gonna be this cool bike ride.
Dad.
Second thing is,
My name's Rock. Daddy.
yes,
Daddy. It's a gem rock. Daddy, come here.
it's a gem rock. And where did you get it?
Daddy got it and he gave it to me.
It's from when I was a kid, and it's called an amethyst.
Yeah.
Super sparkly and
Come around here often? And I'll go and get my rock. Now. Seriously, do you come around to
Carrington, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, Kira, let's show
Carrington
you how to
Koz.
play
Oh.
basketball. You baby, get back now, Kira,
Oh,
let's
no.
show you
She's
how to
go-
play basketball.
Yes, and then I'm gonna shoot the rock here.
Watch out, Finley.
What are you doing, Mom?
He wants to ride it.
I'd help, but I'm, clearly the
Yeah.
director and
Okay.
cameraman.
Put your helmet on.
But screenplay written by Carrington. Oh,
Say wee.
Finley, look at me. Look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy.
Whee. Oh, all right. Mommy's gonna watch this 1,000 times now. All right, we're 3 minutes and 20 seconds in. We have to move to phase 2 to keep
phase 2,
this
show 'em the rock.
interesting.
And now we're going to see my rock.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Oh, nice. All right, let's
Now,
go look at the rock.